how to change your Facebook page URL to a custom URL. Now you are going to log into your Facebook page and ensure you are on your Facebook page profile. You are going to click on this settings and privacy. Click on settings, then go to page setup, and when you see your business name here, your page name, click on view. Here you see your username, click edit, and at this point you'll be able to change it and save it to a custom username that you want. And from that moment, if you click on your page, you see that it will display your custom username. If you want to learn more on how you can run ad on Facebook and Instagram and how you can grow your business online, ensure you subscribe to this channel and follow us on all our social media, so that anytime we upload awesome videos like this that will educate you on business tips, you will be notified and you will be the first to benefit from it. See you in the next video. Bye.